We want to use the ALEKS graphing calculator to solve this system of equations. So you start on the far right side by clicking the calculator button and then the y equals. Now I have a place to enter my equations. So I begin typing in my equation, negative x. Now right there, that's where your variable is. So we have our 2, and then again, right there, that's the x button. Once you have your equations entered in, you want to hit graph. The point where these two lines come together is our solution, so we're going to hit intersect. We have to estimate the location of that point of intersection. So looking at our graph, left one down 2-ish, so the x where they're going to come together is around -1. I hit intersect, and there is my solution. The question asked me to round to the hundredths, so here I have rounded to the hundredths.